Huwa means he, single. Huma means they both, two of them. Hum, all of those males. Hiya means she. Huma means they both female. Hunna is all of those females. Anta, you male. Antuma, you both males. Antum, all of you males. Anti, you female. Antuma, you both female. Antunna, all of you females. Ana means I. Nahnu means we. So let's practice again. Huwa means he. Huma means they both. Huma means they both. Hum means all of those men. Third person. Hiya is she. Hunna is, yes, good, all of those females. Anta is you, male. Antuma is you both males. Antum is all of you males in front of you. Antum. Anti, you female. Antuma, you both females. Antunna, all of you females in front of us. Ana is I. Nahnu is we. It's important to learn in these sequence. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu. Okay, so let's get your mind working now. So you got to tell what are the pronouns coming up now. It's easy. So just to practice, huwa is he. Huma is they both males. Hum, all of those males. Hiya is she. Huma is they both females. The dual pronouns are same for male and female. That's a little bit easy to remember. Huma, huma. Huma means can be both males, can be both females. Antuma can both be males. It can also be means as both females. So depending on the where they come in the sentence, you have to recognize. Hunna, all of those females. Anta, you male. Antuma, both of you males. Antum, all of you males. Anti, you female. Antuma, you both females. Antunna is all of you females. Ana means I. Nahnu means we. So let's see if everybody can say this. What is this? This. 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 So keep practicing